Hello, this is our second tutorial on .NET. Here we will learn what .NET is. Basically, .NET Framework is a software development framework developed by Microsoft that provides runtime environment and a set of libraries and tools for building and running applications on Windows operating system. So .NET Framework is supported by Windows operating system. Then what .NET Core is? The .NET framework is primarily used on Windows, while .NET Core, which evolved into just .NET starting from version 5, is cross-platform. So what cross-platform means? Cross-platform means it supports on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. So basically .NET framework only supports Windows, and the .NET Core, which is the same evolved version of .NET framework starting from version 5, supports all platforms like macOS, Windows and Linux, etc. There are two main components in .NET framework. One is common language runtime and another is framework class library. Common language runtime is the heart of the .NET framework because it builds and run the application. It's have common language interface which is used for grammatical or syntax check, and have garbage collector, and also have just-in-time compiler to run the program. Another main component is framework class library, which is nothing but set of libraries which supports .NET environment like math libraries, control libraries, console libraries, etc. As we mentioned, .NET is a ecosystem, means it is a development environment which supports variety of programming language. Nearly 20 programming language it supports. One of the most used programming language is C Sharp. Then others are VB.NET, F Sharp, C++.NET, etc. How this different type of language turns into a managed code and runs the programming application, that part we will cover in our next tutorial. As I mentioned, in our next tutorial we will write a simple program and understand how the code builds and run. Thank you.